Hey guys, welcome back to Clubhouse Kids. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. If you have tuned into my channel before, you know I do a lot of home daycare videos. Well, I made a New Year's resolution to get through every room in my house and organize the drawers and cabinets. And so for the month of January, I'm going to be working in my bathrooms. And so I'm going to make videos as I organize and clean up these rooms to keep myself accountable. So we have 3 bathrooms in our house. We have the master bathroom, which is what I'm going to be working on today. And then we have our kids' bathroom. And then in our lower level is the daycare bathroom. And so through this month, I'm going to be organizing and deep cleaning all 3 of those bathrooms. But today we're going to work on the master bathroom. I'm going to get into the medicine cabinet, under the cabinets in the sink, and then some cabinets that are on the wall. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Okay, so here's the master bathroom. So we just have a sink, and I'm going to be working in these drawers. This is a medicine cabinet. There's some cabinets back behind here, and then a shower. So it's a small bathroom, but we do keep a lot in this bathroom. So this is what I'm going to be cleaning up today. We have this stuff. This is where we keep our towels and makeup, and here we have our medicine cabinet that I'm going to clean up, and then the stuff on the sink, and then we have some drawers that I keep a lot of my hair products in, and then under our sink. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clear everything out of this bathroom as if we were going to move. And so I'm going to move everything from the cabinets, the drawers, the medicine cabinet, and then I'll put it on the floor in my bedroom, and then I'm going to go through everything. Okay, so I've cleared everything out of the bathroom, and now I'm going to just spray everything with cleaner and let it sit while I go through all that stuff. Okay, so this is what my bedroom looks like. So I've just basically thrown everything from that bathroom into here, and now I'm going to start going through those. Okay, so I have a garbage sack, and if we have not used the product in the last like 3 or 4 months, I'm going to throw it away, and I'm going to start categorizing things to where they're going back in the bathroom. Okay, so I'm going to start with the medicine cabinet, and this was probably the area that I threw away the most in because we had a lot of stuff in here that we were no longer using. And then in these little buckets I have just some flossers and then Q-tips and then some makeup pads. So there's that. Now underneath the sink we have 2 drawers and a cabinet. Now in the cabinet, I pretty much have the same stuff that was under here before, except for I took out the cleaning products, which I will probably put more Clorox wipes down here, but those were actually gone. And so I like to just use those in the morning to really quickly just clean the sink and the toilet. And so here I just have all my oils, and my witch hazel is in the back because I make my own bug spray with the witch hazel and some of these oils. So I left the witch hazel in there, and then some leftover Q-tips. there's a spray bottle for when I do make the bug spray. I usually put it in there. And then just some mouthwash. This is where I keep all my hair products. So this was another one that I had a bunch of stuff that I was no longer using. So I threw everything away except for the stuff that I'm currently using in my hair. So there's that. And then up here is just my hair, just hair ties and my clip. I don't wear a lot of hair stuff, but I use a lot of bobby pins. So there's my bobby pins. So that is what's underneath our sink. And then the cabinet here. Now I changed this around a lot because I found these cute baskets at Hobby Lobby just after the first of the year, and they were a very good deal. And one of the things up here at the top was we had a lot of like medicines and first aid kit and stuff like that, but I had separated it into like 3 different containers, and it was just getting kind of a mess because everybody was you know, putting stuff back in different containers, and I thought it would make more sense just to have one big container of all our first aids, so all our band-aids, all our medicines, everything is just in this bucket here. And since it had a like liner on it, I did put this plastic bucket in here for anything that's like liquid, so I can clean it better than if something would spill on this liner. So kind of basically I have all the medicines in here, and then on the side I put like band-aids and cough drops and stuff like that. So that's our just like medicine bucket. And then the 2 smaller ones, me and my 2 daughters, just nail stuff. So I did the same thing. I put these little plastic bins in here, so if something would spill I could clean it easier than on the liner. So I just have our nail polishes here, and then just all the stuff to do our nails here. And then I had a couple Jamberry nail sets, so I just slid them all into this one envelope and put them here. We don't use these a lot. They work really well. We just, we don't do our nails a lot. So there's that. And then the second one is I use Mama Cloth, so everything that I need is in the second bucket. So that's the top cabinet. And then the cabinet down here. So on the top I have my makeup, and here I just put all my lotions and sprays and stuff into here. And then on the lower cabinet is where we keep all of our towels, and then I have just my mirror. And then the shower is pretty much the same. I did go get a new just organizer here, but I usually do switch that out every year, and so that's just basically the same. That was in the shower before. So there's the bathroom. It's all cleaned up and organized. The only thing I do, I have our rugs in the laundry right now. So once those are clean, then this bathroom will be completely done. Okay, so I'm planning on doing 1 bathroom a weekend through January. And so next weekend I will probably do the kids' bathroom, and the following weekend I will work on my daycare bathroom. So if you like these videos, look for the next one next weekend, and then next month I will be in a new area in my home. And so if you guys comment below, give me some encouragement to continue on this New Year's resolution. And if you want to join me and do your bathrooms as well this month, go ahead and jump into your bathrooms as well, and then comment below and tell me. Or if you make a video of your own, please give me the link and I will watch that as well, and so we can send each other encouragement as we get our houses under control. I know as moms we can get pretty busy, and I do a pretty good job of keeping on my home, keeping things tidy, but sometimes the drawers and cabinets and stuff can get pretty disorganized. So thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and I'm excited to jump into my next bathroom next weekend. Thanks guys, bye!